All right, welcome back to the R44 channel. Today we are going to show you guys how to service your B48 engine that might be in this beautiful thing, which is a 330e owned by our employee Raj. This car is new to the channel. It's going to feature a few more times on the channel, hopefully quite a lot more, because we've got quite a lot of mods in stock for this car and we've never really done anything about it because we do a lot of these, which are the M3s. We've got an M4 there. We do a lot of M5s. But this car in particular, there's 1,200 available on the market today here in the UK, and I'm sure worldwide there's even more available. So we need to cater to you guys. We need to help you guys. So for this car, at the moment, we've got splitters, we've got intakes, we've got wheel spacers, potentially we've got suspension. We've also got spoilers, rear diffusers, side skirts, interior trims, paddle shifters. We have so many products in that beautiful warehouse now. So all we need to do is start modifying it. But most importantly, we need to make sure that we are maintaining the OEM service requirements for this car. So we're going to go into the workbench, we're going to go over to the workbench over there and show you guys what we have in store for this vehicle today to show you guys how to service your B48. Okay, so we're going to show you guys what OEM components we're installing to this vehicle today. As I said, these are all OEM BMW parts that are available from the R44 website and can be installed here at the workshop. We have 6 litres of the 030 BMW oil. From what I hear, it's 5.5 litres, roughly what you're going to need. OEM oil filter, cabin filter, spark plugs. Wow. 4-cylinder BMW. It's new. It's all new to us. And an air filter. So this air filter, I don't think we're actually going to install this in today's video. We'll probably show you guys how to do it, but we're not going to install it because in the next video we're installing an intake to the B48, which should sound pretty cool. So if you're into that, check out next week or check out more videos. They're probably already published by the time you're watching this because you're probably watching it in 2030 or something. So anyways, let's get that car on the ramp and let's drop this oil. All right, guys and girls, it's almost Black Friday, or it's Black Friday when you guys are watching this. So get onto the R44 website, click the link above and get shopping today. It's one opportunity to save big on mods. We've got the likes of CSF, Precision Racework, EBC, OEM BMW, MMX. You've got so many components that are on sale today here at R44 Performance. So shop now and enjoy a little discount on us. So let's run through the installation of a replacement spark plug. So all you're going to do is remove your current spark plug by removing your engine cover, then your coil pack. The coil pack is providing the spark to your spark plug. Coil packs they normally have a torque setting, the torque screw on the side of them, or they're just literally pushed into position. Remove them from the vehicle and then put your spark plug tool down the chamber and loosen off your spark plug. Be careful, if your engine was started recently, they might be quite warm, as well as they might have some dirt on the bottom of them. So just be careful, wear gloves, pull the spark plug out of the car and then put your new one in. BMW spark plugs tend to come pre-gap, but I highly recommend checking the gap on every spark plug is the same with a gapping tool. If it's a performance vehicle, of course, and you're mapped and you're looking to get a better spark or a different spark to normal, then gap them accordingly. Put the spark plug into your spark plug tool. Do not drop them into the chamber because then you can, when it drops in, it might hit the edge and then it will change the gap between the electrode. Anyways, push your spark plug tool into the chamber, start tightening them up to 23 Newton meters. So it's now time to change the oil on the vehicle. The main thing you want to do when changing the oil on a vehicle is get the vehicle up to a good operating temperature, which is going to really well, it's going to make the oil really liquidy and droopy and able to just flush from your engine. So get your engine up to temperature, get the car on the ramp, remove the sump plug on the bottom of the sump, remove it and allow the oil to drain. Then remove your oil filter from the engine, and that is going to allow everything to drain quite nicely. Start by replacing your oil filter, put a new one in, put some oil around the O-ring so it's nice and sealed, put it back into the vehicle. Finally, wait for every piece of oil to drop from the engine, and then put your sump in, and then refill the engine with the correct amount of oil that you can find in your manual, and make sure you use the correct oil for your vehicle. So on this in particular car, B48, 5.25 litres of BMW OEM oil. We always use OEM oils unless it's a performance vehicle, and we'd use the likes of a Motul or a Castrol or a liquid Mali. So your car might smell nice on the inside, but sometimes the smell gets a bit horrid, and that's because the cabin filter has expired. It's been filled up with debris and is unable to filter the air in the cabin nicely. So it's important to change this. I think it's a very slept on thing because normally it's just oil and filter changes, but a cabin filter is normally located behind the dashboard or in different locations on a different car. On this in particular car, we just changed it. We just pulled it out and put a fresh one in from BMW. Guys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been quite fun, finally servicing a B48. Yeah, it's great. It's got some fresh oil, some fresh filters. Next up is putting an air filter on this car and doing some slight modifications to this platform, because I believe the 330e B48 platform is a very slept on but great market for us to enjoy here at R44 Performance. If you guys need anything for your vehicle, hit up the website today or contact the sales team. They'll be more than happy to help. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and we'll catch you on the next one.